Hello Carl, I will try to show you how to assemble our water bike. Here you have a ready water bike. Here it looks like this. You have here steering bar with those black elements which have you sent me on the photo. It goes here. Here is the steering bar. It allows you to drive water bike. Yes. And now I will show you how to prepare this water bike to goes to the water. First we have to install two elements of suspension. You will get the second pack with those orange elements. And look at this. This is the front of the pneumatic buoy. This is the rear of pneumatic buoy, and those elements goes like this here. You cannot put the maximum pressure to the buoy. It have to be something like this. It allows you to put in those elements to this. Okay, the first one is ready. It goes here, and we have to install the second one. Okay, we have two elements installed, so now we have to install the main frame of the bike. Main frame of the bike goes here to these elements. We put the main frame here, and we have to install the bolts. We put the bolts here. This is 8mm bolt. Goes here in the back of the bike and in the front of the bike. Okay, we have suspension and main frame. And now when you install the steering bar here, remember that it should have a line here with those elements here. It allows you to correct steering, yes? The line. Steering bar and those elements in the front should have the same line. You have a regulation here on the steering bar. Here is the bolt, here, and you can make a correct angle, yes? Now when you have it, now we can install the drive unit with propeller. It looked like this, yes. It has the special drive shaft. Moment. The drive unit have the special drive shaft. It is here. It is very important to install the shaft correctly in this gearbox, and this element goes to the main gearbox, which is on the bike here. We have to put it right here and install here. Okay, we have to turn it a few times. Yes. Okay. When you install correctly the drive unit and drive shaft, when you turn these pedals, those pedals, the propeller goes around. Yes, it is correctly mounted. Yes. Now we have to install steering shaft. Look, here is the place where you mounting steering bar, and in the front of the bike here. Steering bar looks like this. You have orange one, this is white, but this is not important, the color. You install first in the front of the bike here. Oh, we have to install here, okay. And now you install in the back of the bike here. Okay, here is the regulation when you have problems with make right angle, or you can regulate it here in a steering bar. Okay, this is mounted. We have to put here 2 bolts. First go here. Remember to not squeeze so tight, but because it has loose here, a little loose, it allows to goes around, yes, and allows you to steering of the bike. And here you have to put the second bolt here. Okay, and now we have correctly steering. Yes, when you have problem with those elements, when the steering is hard, so you have to make some regulation, which is here. Here is the bolt. You can lose it and put this element in the front and the back. And what is very important, to have a line, straight line, those elements with those gearbox. It allows you to have a lightweight regulation. Okay, now the last thing that we have to do is install the wooden platform on the left side of the bike and on the right side of the bike. Here you have holes to put bolts and install the wooden platform. Okay, now we have ready our water bike. So the last thing that we have to do is put the pressure to the buoy, because the buoy is not tight, not hard. We have to put the pressure here, and now you can go to the water and have a fun. So I guess this movie allows you to make assembly of Pola 1 and have a good fun on the water. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in an email. Okay, have a nice day.